Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Beetlejuice. So today I'm going to be doing a Beetlejuice themed, inspired makeup look. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows first off camera just to save time. If you would like to see how I do my brows, just leave a little comment below or give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see that. Now let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put on primer. And the one that I like to use, it's pretty cheap, is the Maybelline Baby Skin. I love how it makes my skin so soft. I have a mirror down here, but my eyesight is just terrible. So I'm just going to blame my makeup on my eyesight if it doesn't turn out good. So the lightest shade of foundation that I have is the Rihanna Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 120. And you know what? I love Rihanna so freaking much, but when I first used this foundation, I did not like it. Because at the time, see, I was not applying it right because my skin was just so dry, and I tried applying it with a brush. Even though this foundation comes with a brush, I didn't use that. I used like a flat top brush like this. And when I did that, like, the foundation was just like very dry and like patchy. It did not look good. But the next time that I did it, I just made sure that my skin was very dewy, since I do have like dry combination skin. Also applied this with a damp beauty blender, and now I have like no issues with it. So
we're best friends now.
Just kind of like to dab that on my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that in with my beauty blender. Damp, of course. Please make sure that it's damp. Oh my god, like when I first started using beauty blenders, I don't think I really got it that wet. What you want to do is get this completely like drenched with water and then squeeze out all the excess. You just want to make sure that this is completely saturated but not soaked, if that makes sense. So next thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is prime my eyelids. Like I said, my eyesight is horrible, so like I can't tell. I guess it's looking...
I guess I'm looking pretty good.
So I'm thinking I'm going to use... You know what? I'm not going to tell you. Just keep on watching and you'll find out. And then of course go ahead and blend that out. I'm just gonna dive in. I'm just gonna dive in to this purple. Okay. These Juvia's Place eyeshadows. I really need to get their other palettes because I love them.
I love them and I hope they love me too. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
So I'm just putting it in the crease and then just blending that out. My sister's gonna watch this and be like,
oh my god, you're so embarrassing.
She's the first hater that I've gotten here on YouTube. Whatever. I'm just kidding. My sister really isn't a hater. I mean, sometimes she is, but it's all good.
It's all good.
I'm just gonna put this purple, I'm putting it all over the lid, honey. That's where she's going, all over the lid. So. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I don't care about the messiness. I don't. Taking this green right here And I'm going to be putting that on my lower lash. So next up I wanted to do was the eyeliner and have it black and white like Beetlejuice's outfit that he has. It's black and white stripe. I'm so annoyed. I'm annoyed. Officially annoyed. Okay, so I just went ahead and put on some lashes. Conceal down my nose, my cupid's bow, on my chin a little bit, and forehead. These are usually like the typical areas that I like to conceal and highlight. And I think I'm going to take a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape just to get that extra coverage. I know, I just can't stay away from it. Like, I just need it. Spritz this a little. And then I'm just using Mara Badescu's Skincare Facial Mist, the Rose Water one. I tried the cucumber one, did not care for it. I mean, it works the same, but I just prefer the smell of the rose water. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in. I'm just gonna take some NYX translucent powder, and this is the banana shade. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that underneath my eyes and everywhere where I just put the concealer. I'm going to be using the Anastasia contour palette. She's gotten a lot of love here. And I'm just going to be mixing in, of course, it's almost empty basically. Like, girl, get a new one. Go ahead and put some of that green shadow and put it over my lips. You might be thinking,
what the hell are you doing?
But you'll see. Just like that. And then I'm going to be taking this purple lipstick, which is from Lip Couture in the shade Phantom, but I'm going to be mixing it with Kat Von D's liquid lip. I just kind of want like an ombre effect, so I'm going to be mixing it with, oh my god, you guys, I cannot read. Oh, Echo. Okay, so I'm going to be mixing this with Echo, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final Beetlejuice look. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I will be making more videos and doing more tutorials. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.